Hello students, welcome back in maths classes and in class 7th from exercise 1.1. Today I will tell you how to solve question number 8, 9 and 10. So this is exercise 1.1 and today we will solve question number 8, 9, 10. Okay, and before solving these questions I want to tell you an important concept. Now the concept is regarding modulus or sometimes called mode. What is modulus or what is mode actually? So in simplest words, modulus of a number is the distance of that number from 0 on the number line. Okay, see, as you know, this is number line. Okay, suppose this is a number line. Here it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on the left side this is -1, -2, -3. Now the concept is distance of a point from 0 is called modulus of that number. Means what is the distance of 2 from 0? 1 and 2 units. Then if there is -2, so this -2 is only the direction, means the negative sign tells the direction, not the magnitude of that number. मीन्स ये इस नंबर का मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं है. ओके, ये सिर्फ डायरेक्शन को शो करता है. एज +2 मीन्स द नंबर विच लाइज ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ 0, -2 मीन्स अ नंबर विच लाइज ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ 0. So modulus means the distance of that number. Modulus operator is denoted by two vertical lines and we write a number inside these lines. Okay, so इस तरह की दो vertical lines के बीच में ये नंबर हम लिखते हैं. It is called mod of -2 or modulus of -2. Now what is the value of this? So think about -2 and check the distance from 0. Distance, okay, start from 0, 1 and 2 means 2 units. The distance is 2 units. So this 2 is the value of mod 2 and answer is 2. So modulus का यूज हम सिर्फ डिस्टेंस पता करने के लिए करते हैं कि वो नंबर लाइन पर 0 से कितना यूनिट दूर है. ओके, व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द 0. So in this way, and as you know that the modulus of any number is positive because distance of 2 from 0 is 2 and distance of -2 from 0 is also 2. It means mod of 2 equals mod of -2, that is 2. So the modulus operator will give the positive value always. It doesn't matter the number is negative or positive. Modulus operator will return a positive value. Okay, it means मॉडुलस ऑपरेटर में जो भी वैल्यू होगी आपको हमेशा पॉजिटिव आंसर मिलेगा. यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव. नाउ सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर बेस्ड ऑन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो टेक द क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 फ्रॉम अ टेक्स्ट बुक. क्वेश्चन 8 इज फाइंड द वैल्यू 3 plus wait. Question 8 is not this. Question 8 question is if a equals -10, b equals -4, show that a minus b not equal to b minus a. Okay, so this is the commutative property. As I told you, it doesn't hold true for subtraction and division. Commutativity always true होती है किसके लिए? एडिशन और मल्टीप्लाई के लिए, बट सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन के लिए ऑलवेज ट्रू नहीं होती. नाउ वी हैव टू शो दिस. सो LHS is a minus b, that is a minus and b. Be careful, okay? this minus sign is same and this is the value of b. So b is minus 4. It is minus 10 plus 4 because minus minus becomes plus and the answer is minus 6. And on right hand side it is b minus a. So what is b? B is minus 4. Then we will write minus sign. And what is a? It is minus 10. It is minus 4 plus 10, that is 6. You can see these are not equal. Answer is 6. As you can see, minus 6 is not equal to 6. See, both these values are not equal. So you can write LHS not equal to RHS, means A minus B not equal to B minus A. This is the process to solve this type of question. Now I am going to solve question number 9 and 10. Question number 9 is find the value of, I am solving first part, alright, you will solve second part. So it is 3 plus, be careful when you handle the questions regarding modulus operator, plus mod minus 5 minus mod minus 4. Let's see the question again. 3 plus, it is read as 3 plus mod minus 4 plus mod minus 5 minus mod minus 4. Now solve the question. Okay, this is 3, no problem. As I told you, modulus of any number is positive because it is the distance from 0. So it is plus 4, it is plus, again mod of negative number is positive, we will write 5, we write this negative sign. You will not change this sign because this is outside the mod operator. देखो ये mod operator के अंदर जो भी साइन है उसको चेंज करना है, आउटसाइड में जो भी साइन है उसको हमें चेंज नहीं करना. So this minus will be as it is and this minus 4 becomes plus 4. Okay, you can write in this way, minus 4 becomes plus 4 and the brackets are not important here. So 3 plus 4, 7 and plus this is 5 minus 4, it is 12 minus 4, that is 8. So the answer is 8. Be careful, again I explain, 3 is as it is, mod of minus 4 is plus 4, again plus, mod of minus 5 is 5, you will write 5, this minus sign will remain as it is and this is converted into plus 4. Okay, in the bracket. Now simplify this, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, this is minus 4. Okay, do the addition or subtraction, you will get the answer. So answer is 8. And finally I am going to solve question number 10. Question number 10. And I will solve second part. Second part of 10th question, simplify. It is about simplification, that minus 15 plus minus 63 minus 45 plus minus 16. Okay, students, be careful, there are many minus and plus. Okay, listen, there are minus, minus, plus, minus, so the arithmetic operators are combined, but if you are habitual of handling negative numbers well, it will be easier. Listen, we will write minus 15 plus, okay, minus 15, then it is plus minus. If you see different operators, okay, inside the bracket and outside the bracket, then the final result will be negative. ब्रैकेट के बाहर पॉजिटिव है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर नेगेटिव है, तो हमें नेगेटिव मिलेगा एंड इट इज 63, बट माइनस माइनस बिकम्स प्लस, सो इट इज 45. अगेन प्लस माइनस बिकम्स माइनस. ओके, नाउ यू कैन ऐड पॉजिटिव नंबर्स टुगेदर एंड नेगेटिव नंबर्स टुगेदर, सो इट विल बी इजियर. आप अगर इसको डायरेक्ट करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा कहीं पे मिस्टेक होने के चांसेज है. सो विल राइट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू This is the positive value. Now how many negative values are there? 1, 2 and 3. So write all them together. Minus 15, minus 63 and minus 16. Okay, this positive value will take separate. Again I told you that if all the values are negative, you will add them and put the minus sign. So the answer will be negative. And what is the sum of these? So for your simplicity I tell you, all the quantities are negative. Now add them. 5 plus 3 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry and it is minus 94. Okay, so it is minus 94. Again there are opposite signs. You will perform subtraction and the sign will be according to the bigger number. So this is bigger number, negative, so answer will be negative. Now find the difference of these numbers. So 94 minus 45, it is minus 49. So the answer is minus 49. Okay students, and I think this is not so important, but you should handle these kind of questions very carefully, because यहाँ पर बहुत सारे माइनस और प्लस होने की वजह से मिस्टेक हो सकती है. आप क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि हमने सही किया, बट बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू हैंडल नेगेटिव साइंस. ओके, सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट एक्सरसाइज 1.1. बी सिंसियर, ऑनेस्टली आपको स्टडी करनी है. डोंट वेस्ट द टाइम. इवन in this lockdown time you should enjoy with your family, stay at home and stay healthy, and solve the questions as I will give you in your homework. Okay students, have a good day.